I've always loved a challenge. It's how I work best. I love being limited because I like to push against the limits. I think that's why we wanted to go back and revisit Mixed Message. We had created various tile patterns designed to work together on the floor. But the idea was way ahead of its time. Now, almost 20 years later, my partners at Tandus Centiva and I decided to revisit the idea. Only this time, it was more ambitious. We had challenges and limitations because we wanted to produce all 4 patterns on one machine at the same time. And now the timing was perfect because we had the technology for it. So I went straight to my computer and got to work. My design software is very unique. It contains 25 years of inspiration, custom tools, all developed in collaboration with a mathematician I've worked with for years. We built tools based on simple arithmetic, fractals, chaos theory, and some natural motifs. They're really infinite in what they can do and how they can be applied to my designs. And while I continued to refine my software, Tandus Centiva continued to invest in innovations themselves. Today, they have some of the most sophisticated tufting equipment available. And all this technology has enabled me to revive my concept from the 90s and create a single product now that has 4 distinctly different designs. And by using the same yarn in various combinations, each design has not only a unique pattern, but also a unique color. The goal was to create one 6-foot run with 4 different designs across the width of the material. The idea started with simple geometry, a basic bold stripe, and that evolved into 4 distinct designs. I used my design software to blend and blur the patterns, applying filters until the designs work together as a family. It's a very unique and sophisticated solution because designers now have 4 designs they can play with. It provides diverse tile layout combinations no matter how you arrange them on the floor. I've always loved a challenge, but I also like being first. When I designed this in 1996, I really thought then that it was going to change the carpet industry. But it didn't happen. And so what I'm learning is that sometimes what's better than being first is waiting until you have everything you need to make it the best. I think that's exactly what we have now with Mixed Message. Another great milestone for Tandus Centiva. The results were worth the wait. And now the possibilities really are limitless.